Welcome to the Digital Insights Nexus, your digital compass in the ever evolving world of online marketing. If you are aiming to get real results from your marketing efforts, you've landed in the right place. Today, we are unraveling the mystery of performance marketing, the strategy which ties every dollar you spend directly to real results. Let's dive in. So, let's first start with what exactly is performance marketing. Performance marketing is actually nothing but a digital marketing strategy which is driven by results. It's ideal for companies which are looking to reach their audience at scale because in the case of performance marketing, payment is based on how users interact with the content. Performance marketing refers to a form of digital marketing in which brands only pay marketing service providers after their business objectives have been met or when specific actions have been taken, such as a click, a sale, or lead. In other words, it's performance based marketing. Uh, Performance marketing works when advertisers connect with either agencies or publishers to design and place advertisements for their company on any number of performance marketing channels, such as social media, search engines, videos, embedded web content, and more. Now, instead of paying for an advertisement in the traditional way, these advertisers pay based on how well their ad performs by measuring number of clicks, impressions, shares, or sales. Now let's look at how performance marketing works. Advertisers put their ads on a given channel and then pay based on how that ad performs. There are a few different ways to pay when it comes to performance marketing. Let's look at them one by one. So the first one is cost per click, which is also known as CPC. In the case of CPC, advertisers pay based on the number of times their ad is clicked on. This is a good way to drive traffic to your website or mobile app. The second one is called cost per impression, also known as CPM. Impressions are essentially views of your ad. With CPM, you pay for every 1,000 views. So if 25,000 people view your ad, for example, you would pay your base rate times 25. The third one is cost per sales, also known as CPS. With CPS, you only pay when you make a sale that was driven by an ad. This system is also commonly used in affiliate marketing. The fourth one is cost per lead, also known as CPL. Now, much like cost per sale, with CPL you pay when somebody signs up for something like an email, newsletter, or webinar. CPL generates leads so you can follow up with customers and drive sales. The fifth one is cost per acquisition, also known as CPA. Now, cost per acquisition is similar to CPL and CPS but is more general. With this structure, advertisers pay when consumers complete a specific action, which could include making a sale, sharing their contact information, visiting your blog, etc. Now, let's look at top performance marketing channels. What channel works best when it comes to performance marketing? So there are 5 types of performance marketing channels that agencies and advertisers use to drive traffic. First one is banner ads or display ads as it is known. So if you've been online, you've probably seen plenty of display ads recently. These ads appear on the side of your Facebook newsfeed or at the top or bottom of the news web page you just visited. Though display ads are slowly losing their appeal due to their increasing popularity of ad blockers and what experts call banner blindness, many companies are still finding success with display ads that utilize interactive content, videos, and engaging graphic design. Now, the second channel is native advertising. Native advertising takes advantage of the natural appearance of a web page or site to promote sponsored content. For example, sponsored videos might appear in the Watch Next section of a YouTube page. Native ads are also popular on e-commerce sites. You may have seen them on Facebook Marketplace, for instance. Native advertising works because it allows your sponsored content to live seamlessly beside other kinds of organic content. Often, users won't differentiate between these kinds of content, allowing you to promote your brand in a way that actually feels natural. Third form of performance marketing is content marketing. So, content marketing is actually more popular in B2B, and it's all about educating your audience. According to Omnivert, it also costs 62% less than outbound marketing and generates 3 times as many leads. With content marketing, the focus is on providing useful information to users and putting your brand in context. For example, a vitamin company might write a series of informative blog posts about the benefits of probiotics with a link back to the probiotics that they sell. Content marketing is a channel that can include blog posts, case studies, ebooks, and more. Now, the fourth one is quite a known one, which is social media. For performance marketers, social media is a heaven. Literally, it offers not only the opportunity to reach users and drive them to your site, users can also share your sponsored content organically, extends your reach far beyond the original post. Facebook has the most extensive list of services for performance marketer, but other platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter also offer many opportunity to reach new customers. Now, fifth and final one is search engine marketing, also known as SEM. Now, most online research is done via search engines, and that means having a site which is optimized for search engine marketing is essential. In terms of performance marketing, the focus is primarily on cost per click, especially for paid advertising. For organic SEM, many performance marketers rely on content marketing and SEO optimized landing pages. Now, let's look at some of the performance marketing examples. This should clarify things even more, even in a better way. Here are some examples of performance marketing. Let's go one by one. So the first one is pay-per-click advertising, which is PPC advertising. PPC is a form of performance marketing where the advertisers pays for every click that leads user to its website. The most common platform for this type of marketing is Google AdWords. The second one is affiliate marketing. Again, this is a performance based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customers brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Let's understand by example. An affiliate promotes a product or service on their blog or social media and gets a percentage of the sale when somebody clicks through and purchases. The third one is email marketing. Although it's not often considered under the umbrella of performance marketing, email campaigns can be performance driven as well. Marketers may test different subject lines, content, and call to action, analyzing the open rate, click through rates, and conversion rates to optimize the campaign's performance. We'll have a look at these metrics in detail when we'll come to email marketing episode. Now, the fourth one is search engine optimization. While SEO is not paid, it's an essential part of performance marketing. The performance is measured by the ranking of the keywords, organic traffic, bounce rate, and many other metrics. Again, and the fifth one is social media advertising. Now, the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offers extensive targeting options that allow advertisers to reach a precise audience. The performance then is tracked by the engagements, clicks, impressions, and conversion rate. Sixth one is influencer marketing. In influencer marketing, brands often partner with influencers to promote their products and services. Now, the performance can be measured by the engagements, impression, clicks, or even sales made through the influencer's unique promo codes or affiliate links. The seventh one in the list is display advertising. In display advertising, advertisers pay for banner ads to be displayed on websites relevant to their product or service. These are often paid per impression, CPM. Sometimes it can also be CPC or CPA, but it's mostly CPM. The next one is content marketing. Now, this involves creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers and customers into repeat buyers. The type of content you share is closely related to what you sell. Performance is usually measured by the engagement rate, social shares, and the number of quality leads it generates. Now that we've discussed about various forms of performance marketing and the channels used in it, let's now look at the benefits of performance marketing. This is important because you would want to know why performance marketing should be used. With the future of digital marketing looking more promising each year, using performance marketing channels can actually help you scale your advertising efforts to meet your company's needs without breaking the bank. Yes, it doesn't require a lot of money to run performance marketing campaigns. Performance marketing is actually a creative and effective way to diversify your audience and expand your reach, all while capturing valuable data. And the benefits don't stop there. When you embrace the full functionality of performance marketing, from native and affiliate advertising to sponsored social media content, you will find it's easier than ever to grow your business. So, what exactly is performance based advertising? Performance based advertising is a method of digital advertising where the advertisers pays for specific actions taken by users, such as clicking on the ad, making a purchase, or signing up for a service. This differs from traditional advertising, such as display advertising, where the advertiser pays for ad impressions regardless of whether the user takes action or not. Marketers often use performance based advertising to drive more measurable results and optimize their advertising spend. Now, let's look at actually how this whole process of performance advertising works. We will look at each step one by one so that it becomes really clearer to you. So first step is defining performance goals. In this step, the advertiser determines the specific performance goals they want to achieve through the advertising campaign, such as increasing website traffic, generating leads, or making sales. Second step is defining target audience. In this step, the advertiser identifies the target audience they want to reach with the ad campaign, including demographic information, interests, and location, and many more. Now, the third step is choosing advertising channels. The advertiser selects the digital advertising channels they want to use to reach their target audience, such as search engines, social media, or websites. Then comes the fourth step where you create ad content. In this step, the advertiser creates the ad content, which includes text, images, or videos. The ad should be designed to effectively communicate the message and encourage users to take the desired action. Now comes the fifth step where you actually set the bid and budget. In this step, the advertiser sets a bid for each desired action and a budget for the entire ad campaign. The bid is the amount the advertiser is willing to pay for each desired action, and the budget is the total amount of money the advertiser is willing to spend on the ad campaign. Now comes the step when you launch campaign. The advertiser launches the ad campaign in this step and displays the ads to the target audience through the chosen advertising channels. Now campaign creation part is over and tracking of performance starts. The advertiser tracks the ad campaign's performance and analyzes the results to determine its effectiveness. Now, this may include monitoring the number of clicks, conversions, and overall ROI. Now, finally, the last step, which is called optimization of campaigns. So, based on the results, the advertisers may adjust the ad campaign to improve performance, such as changing the ad content, targeting, or bid and budget. Now, these five steps provide a general overview of the performance advertising process, and the specifics may vary depending on the advertising platform or network used. So, this was about performance marketing. So, it was performance marketing in a nutshell. Actually, performance marketing empowers you to be strategic with your marketing budget. It's like having a data driven roadmap that shows you exactly where your marketing efforts are paying off. By leveraging the right channels and optimizing your campaigns, you can achieve significant results and propel your business forward. If you are interested in learning more about specific performance marketing channels and strategies, leave a comment below and let me know what exactly would you like to see next. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such marketing insights and discussion.